Guys, I love playing the Oculus Quest. I love the boxing games, but one of the problems that I have every single time up until tonight is I sweat like a pig. I'm working out, and I'm doing this for 30 minutes, an hour, maybe 2 hours, and the lenses fog up. Anyone that's had one of these Quests or has one now, they understand what I'm talking about. And like I said, that was until tonight. Friends, listen to me. I bought these. Like $10, $8. They're anti-fog wipes. They're by ZEISS. I'm going to put a link in the description. You get 100 of these. One of these will last you for like 2 weeks. And all you do is you clean the inside of the eyeglasses right there. I just boxed for like an hour, and I'm so used to pausing, starting, stopping, wiping, because again, I'm sweating, okay? I never had any problems. These are worth their weight in gold. I honestly have seen people get so upset with the Quest, they just threw it away. I mean, they literally just got rid of it. They're like, it's not worth it to me, okay? Unless I'm watching a movie or something. If you go ahead and buy these, I'm telling you, you're not going to be sorry. And I don't care how much you sweat. I'm drenched right now, and it never fogged up. It literally never fogged up. There's many different brands of this. They all work about the same. What it's doing is it's putting a thin coating, and so when you're heating up the inside lenses, it's not fogging up. I'll put as many links down there as I can in case they don't have this exact one.